Given the equation of the hyperbola x squared over 4 minus y squared over 16 equals 1, find the vertices, foci, and the asymptotes of the hyperbola. Find the length of the transverse axis, and then sketch the graph. Since the equation is of the form x squared over a number minus y squared over a number, we see that the vertices will be on the x-axis. Since the vertices are on the x-axis, the transverse axis is also horizontal. The vertices are the x-intercept. This is when y equals 0, x equals negative 2 or 2. This is because when y equals 0, we have x squared over 4 equals 1, so x squared equals 4, x equals plus or minus 2. The vertices are negative 2, 0 and positive 2, 0. These are the vertices. For the foci are also on the transverse axis, and the foci has the coordinate plus or minus c, 0 because they are on the x-axis still. The relationship that combine a, b, and c is that c squared equals a squared plus b squared. C is not known. A is the number below x squared, and so a is 2, a squared is 4, plus b squared, it is 4, 4 squared is 16. In fact, it doesn't matter whether a or b, which number is below x squared or y squared, because we are adding them. C squared is therefore 4 plus 16, which is 20. So C equals the square root of 20 plus or minus. This is 4 times 5 or 2 root 5 plus or minus. And so we also have the foci. And so to answer part A, we have the vertices at negative 2, 0 and positive 2, 0. The foci, the one on the left, is minus 2 root 5, 0, and the one on the right is 2 root 5, 0. For the hyperbola with the transverse axis on the horizontal axis, the asymptote is always y equals plus or minus b over a times x, where b, in this case, we saw that it was 4 and a is 2, x, and so the asymptotes are y equals 2x and y equals negative 2x. For b, the length of the transverse axis is always 2a, and so for b, 2 times a is 2, 2 times 2 is 4. This is the length of the horizontal transverse axis. To sketch the graph, we first sketch the vertices, negative 2, 0 and positive 2, 0. The foci are at negative 2 root 5, 0 and positive 2 root 5, 0. The asymptotes are y equals 2x, which is a straight line, and y equals negative 2x. We then sketch the two branches. The one on the right hand side stay close to the asymptotes, and the one on the left go through the vertex, stay close to the asymptotes.